Ka Sorkar jalak la Pynbna ban Pynlong yak election syaka Iaiong Dorbar Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC haka shipotrik Iaiong arta penriong. Yakane la pentip da Menteri Sorkar uba wailat mikishla hadien ka jingalang jong kinhun menteri bala penya da menteri rangba ka jela ukonrad ke sangma haka khatn rio tarik rempang. Ya ka tarik ban Pynlong ya ka jingat hep vote la bo ha ka shpotrik Iaiong kat ba ya ka tarik ban nyoy ki vote kan long ha ka khat sautrik Iaiong ong uba wailat habakran shakilat pthai kwar. Umentri upintip ru ba ka tarik ban penmi ya ka jing Pynbna pat ba kan long ha ka khandai trik leber kat ba ka tarik ba khat du ban thep kerteng na ka bentai ki kertong kan long ha ka khat rio trik leber. Kajing bishare ki kot ki slat hap kerteng kan long haga kat rio trik leber hadien kapor lai bejajan miet bat katarik bakhat du ban weng kerteng kan long haga kat nyo trik leber. Kajing penkut bat kajing ban banai ki kerteng ki babiang bat kajing ai ki sharp ni symbol kan long haga kat pra trik leber.
Date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124(2). It's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026. These are the schedule.